In this video, I will show you how to uninstall apps on Windows 11. To uninstall an app, start by clicking the Start menu at the bottom of the screen. Next, click on All Apps in the top right corner. Scroll down to find the app you want to remove. Right-click on the app and a menu will appear. Select Uninstall from this menu. A new window will then open, allowing you to continue the process of uninstalling the app. You can do this another way by clicking the Start menu at the bottom of the screen. This time click Settings and then select the Apps tab on the left. After that, click on Installed Apps again. To uninstall an app, use the search box at the top left to type the name of the app you wish to delete. Alternatively, you can scroll through the list of installed apps. To remove an app, click the three dots on the right. A menu will appear. Select Uninstall. You'll receive a warning about the consequences. Click Uninstall to proceed. The Windows installer will now run. This process may take some time. Once it's completed and the app has been uninstalled, the menu will disappear and it will no longer appear in your installed apps. And that's how you uninstall apps on Windows 11. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell notification for more how-to videos. See you in the next one.